trade sync isn't working right now, and this is really pissing me off. But um, yeah, we'll see how it goes right now. Right now, bias of the day really have no bias, but we just have a lot of liquidity levels to the up and down side. So we still have this SMT holding us somewhat down. Kind of just formed another SMT right now with London high. Pretty much have equal highs here. I'm gonna see if we respect this 15-minute right now. Market open. ES took out London high. We have AM session highs all the way up here. Yeah, my trade sync is really pissing me off. It's not letting me connect accounts, but it's whatever. Who cares? Fuck it. Might just close it. We'll see if this keeps us up for the day. Let me open my both charts. See if this keeps us up. This is midnight level right now. We are a bit in accumulation zone if you look at the daily chart as well. You guys do see the daily chart. We have a VIB volume imbalance right here aligned in a daily FEG hold going to the downside. I want us to tap back into this huge weekly daily wick. I want us to tap back into this. We haven't touched it yet, but I want to see us go down into it. Maybe tap the weekly gap again. Just because this gap is still back there, we still haven't filled orders down here. So I do kind of want to see us go all the way down there. I am a bit hands off today just because it's a no news Monday, so you know how these things go. Market just opened. We have a lot of liquidity level to the up and downside. We have a 4-hour FEG to the downside after Asia lows. So hopefully we could sweep Asia lows. This is a 15-minute first presented aligned in a 4-hour as well. New York just swept London high. See how we react off of here. Boom, 15-minute FEG right here was supported to the upside. AM high is probably going to be the next target. But yeah, we'll see how we react the whole day. See if this is something that could be of interest for us. If it's not, then cool, whatever. I'm like logged out of all my accounts right now. I don't know why. Maybe it's a good thing. Asia high was just taken. Yo, this candle was fucking ridiculous. Maybe this was the manipulation candle that we needed. Maybe we'll go down into the 1 minute, see what the 1 minute looks like. One-minute candle, huge, 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 huge. Okay, perfect. Fucking finally, they're counterlinking. This is actually massive candle. We might just stay above the midnight open and go to ATH. We have a lot of LR on the 1 minute. Gonna touch the first presented 15-minute on the leg up after so fucking long. Alright, so that's the SMT. Disrespecting the SMT now. Did we really though? Kinda didn't. want us to get a little bit deeper into that gap. We're in the 15-minute first percent and projecting it pretty nicely. I want to see like a breaker or something out of here. I don't want to see us just go. I want to see some sort of structure that can bring us to the downside or continuation from this 1 minute. Why are my platforms not working today? Like, this is so ass. Like, look at my Top Step X. Top Step X black screen. And my trade syncer isn't linking my Top Step accounts. Who cares? Absolutely shitty day. Psych. Shake. This is still booming, still flying right now. On the 1 minute, look at the 1 minute, boom, continues. You are getting these nasty little wicks. I do want to see us get like a nice pullback. I see a PDI. Pre-distribution inverse. Do see a PDI. Kinda do need to see the 1 minute inverse though, for it to be somewhat credible. Okay. But to what level? What drawn liquidity do we have all the way up here? Just have this gap in ETH, honestly speaking. Hourly high, something of that sort. We have the hourly gap. Midway of the hourly gap. Why is everything so fucking slow today? Nothing is loading on my PC. I don't know, it might just be a sign for me to get triggered and not take a trade, which I honestly would be absolutely fine with. Might just touch the midway. These candles are insane right now. What this candle was, it what? $30 fucking candle. top step down. Okay, so there is an outage on the platform. Cool. It's not just me. Awesome, 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 awesome. Let's see ES React out of here. Here's the thing, I just want to see us come back into the bib. I would honestly really take like anything, like a 1 or 2 minute inversion. Now my alpha futures isn't working. I think it's just platform X. It's just Project X that isn't working, but alright, whatever. Maybe it might be a good thing. So my analysis pretty much was, we come up touching here. If you look at the daily, really huge vib. Do think we're gonna close bearish from here. Maybe sweep all of this, close bearish, continue to respect this daily, just because the zone is uncomfortable right now. Plus, I do want us to come down and touch this rejection block, it's because we haven't touched it at all on the daily. We created a 4-hour gap down here, which I want us to touch either today or tomorrow. So this gap needs to be touched, in my opinion. This SMT is still somewhat respected. Look at it right here. SMT is still respected. Let's go into the 4-hour here. SMT is still respected, still calm. And this rejection block maybe come and fill, maybe touch the gaps again. I just think it's Project X. We were accumulating, if you look at the 15-minute, this weird zone right here, accumulate since Asia. Broke out through pretty good liquidity right now. Did break out through pretty good liquidity. This platform's gonna be tight. Now my alpha doesn't load, but you know, again, might just be a good thing. 5 minute looks like it's gonna inverse. If we do respect this, I wouldn't be surprised. 5 minute does look like we will inverse. Look at it, or we might just continue higher. So we do have a 5 minute gap first presented. SMT actually, if you do look at it right now. SMT, so it might just be continuation to the upside, or you could honestly, no, it's continuation to the upside on ES. Look at this, way too clean. Yeah, it's respecting PD arrays unless it's like a 1 minute breaker. If it's a 1 minute breaker, I would not be surprised. Sweep still respected. This could be difficult. Isaac X is still down, bruh. Again, we inverse a 5 minute. I do see us. SMT's at the top and at the bottom. High time frames as well. We could just let the market do its thing. Find like a 15 minute something like mine at like 10 o'clock ish. I think that might just be the best bet. 15 minute just open. See how this 15 minute gets treated. Again, there was like a 15 minute gap somewhere down here. Somewhere here that got respected to the upside. So which is why if we inverse this 5 minute, do we think that 15 minute will flip? I haven't taken a trade. Might not just take a trade because platforms are down. I'm not just gonna fucking mine account right now just to trade. That's bad habits. Not doing that. So we're gonna wait and see if this 5 minute goes inverse. If not, then we'll see how this goes. This is honestly a really good entry though. Oh, because ES is probably gonna touch the previous day high. Let me see if there's previous day high. Well, of course there's previous day high. On here, previous day high is all the way up here though. It's so much more space. That's way too much. Like a 4-hour high is still all the way up there because that candle was so fat. It's So yes, we needed to touch this gap. Hourly high is still all the way up here. We need to find like a night. Yeah, Magmano needs to be it. On that Magmano, we just continue to all ATH. Confusing day though, confusing day. Again, not gonna stress about it. Why is the toss-up dashboard not even working either? Like, is it just toss-up as a whole? Like, what the fuck is this shit? It's cool. People should not be stressing too much about it. Come on. Again, I do kind of want to see that gap get touched and then into like a 5-minute or 15-minute gap. Or we just play continuation from a 15-minute gap. To ATH. Or we just don't trade at all. That's what it's kind of looking like. We'll see what happens. Not really too focused on trading now because this kind of fucked up my whole vibe and mood right now, so. Alright, 5 minutes starting to slow down. Oops. For a compilation coming up. Good, charts are starting to slow down. Even though we're in the 950 macro. This is a good zone for us to reverse from. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I don't really want to trade now. nice hourly gap all the way down here. Nice hourly gap at 115. Right at this low. So we're gonna have to inverse his 15-minute, which I don't think is gonna happen. Honestly, good. And we sweep market open. Sweep all orders from market open. Boom, around here-ish. Continue to the upside, but the thing is that if we inverse this, delivering from here with SMT as well, we're going to Asia low. And we're filling the entire fib. Now, this is a 15-minute first present as well, so we could respect this. We are in a tricky zone. Anything can happen right now. So I think playing low-hanging fruit type of trades today will work. I know there's gonna be a trade present at like 10:30. Not right now. This is way too early. Or if anything, around 11ish. This SMT held up pretty fucking good. 30-second trade would have been nice there. Second trade would have been fucking beautiful there. It's gonna be a slow burn to the upside, but we are not burning to the upside on ES. ES is respecting the SMT, which I do think we will respect the SMT. This is gorgeous. Alright, we gotta see how we react off the 15-minute gap. Closes in 5 minutes. Okay. Is there like a 2-minute? There was a 3-minute inversion right here. So we could come down into the here. It's going to be a 15-minute gap down here right now. South side. 15 man. Boom. Alright, so fuck that SMT now. Fuck this SMT. 15-minute is going to be formed down here. it says I want 10 o'clock to sweep. Was there a 2-minute gap anywhere? 2-minute gap got respected. So did 3-minute gap. This is a nice breaker though, because it's a money sweep. Nice 5-minute gap that wasn't tapped. I want to see a 1-minute. This 2-minute inversion is gonna be pretty fucking rough, bro. Yeah, now we're bullish. I want to see us touch the 15-minute though. Now I want to see a 1-minute displacement until 1 minute. We have an hourly gap all the way down here that probably isn't going to get touched right now. Either off of a sissy, I'm going to take the trade, or a 1-minute inverse. Give us one more sweep. Touch consequent encroachment of the hourly at least. Anywhere up in that zone. It's kind of what I want to see. Anywhere up in this zone. Okay, no man. Too much pussy shit. Parliament 2. Parliament 1 there. So now we're getting displacement, or like what the fuck is going on? It's starting to piss me off, man. It's starting to piss me off. Get the money sweep one more time. There wasn't any confirmation, honestly speaking, unless it was like 30-second confirmation. Swept. I'm going in one more time. Alright, I was trading core counts. Took 2 bad entries, anticipating the short. Waiting for inversions, but like there's nothing presented. So I took 2 L's. I'm down at 2% on this eval. Got no news Monday. Might just continue with barcodes. This is awful PA, bro. Like awful. So we might just continue with barcodes right now. We are at the CE of a hourly first presented gap. And we are soon to touch the CE of a first presented 15-minute gap. This is weird range. What does a 30-second give us, bro? 30 seconds still holding pretty good to the upside. Honestly, super happy. Toss up X was down because I would have gotten chopped up if I really would have taken a stupid trade. So everything does happen for a reason. Fine with me. Completely fine with me. Just tape reading this now. I'm gonna be tape reading the whole day now. I need to see a 30-second inversion to the downside for me to really want anything here. Still respecting upside trend, but we're going up with barcodes, so I don't really like it, but yeah, we might touch ES's hourly gap. Again, I did say 10:30 some sort of a trade would be presented, so hopefully something is presented. 15 minutes still, one pullback, boom, going. I want this 15-minute gap to get touched. About to touch the CE, this 15-minute first presented. Once we touch that CE, anything inverse, I'm taking to that 15-minute gap. Or we might just fill up the entire gap, then reject. Which honestly could fucking happen right now. See, because did ES just touch it? No, I just did. ES did embers here. There's nothing left behind, bro. Fuck it, I'm in with the blind long. Like, I mean, fuck it, there's nothing left behind. Targeting the CE. I think I'm going with 2. Take partials at the CE. And then let the rest just ride all the way. Until I think ES is going to take out previous AI. And we're going to touch the CE of the hourly on ES. I think it's going to be a barcode up to fill all this, the entire gap. To fill up the entirety of that fucking gap. Don't think we're going to reject one bit now. To the next hourly. Next hourly is probably going to be the one that really gives us a pullback and a retracement. And then we could take out all these lows. But yeah, for now I do see it somewhat just coming up and taking out everything. But I do want to see if... Alright, but we haven't touched the CE yet of any of this shit. So again, this might just be... I want us to target that now. That is the target from now on. What's the 1 minute looking like? 1 minute looking pretty fucking healthy, I'm not gonna lie to you. Are we really gonna reject from here? Doesn't make any sense to me. Sweep. Go low, swept. Boom. With another contract going long. Like, I don't understand again why that shit would really... We're just inverse at 30-second. 1 minute and 2 minute really aren't giving me shit. These are just pullbacks, healthy pullbacks for it to continue to the upside. 30-second inverses are giving me confirmation on what the 1 minute and the 2 minute really should be doing for me. But again, I'm really gonna... So the CE is really strong, honestly. Now that I see it, super strong. But I want us to come up and touch. Let's go to psych level 280. Another psych level at 270. How many more points is that? Another 30, 40 points. completely doable. Okay, cool. Don't like how we're now. This is gonna be driven to the upside. Again, I do think 11 o'clock is gonna give us the pullback that we need. I would like for 11 o'clock to give us the pullback that we need. There's nothing, bro. Straight barcodes. We haven't touched the CE in the 15-minute yet. I'd like to know where this shit is going right now, cause okay. It's like an Alphatix. Alphatix still works. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. Okay, that's fine. Nothing's working right now. Honestly, super happy and grateful that nothing is working because there's nothing that has been presented. And I really don't think anything is going to be presented. Again, I'm going to sit here patiently. Do you know what? I'm going to go. This is a great day for like people that trade EMAs and whatnot. Because if you look at this on the wealth charts, it's bouncing and respecting this EMA, whatever the fuck this shit is. Like it touches, bounce, touch, bounce, touch, bounce. Almost touch, bounce, almost touch, bounce, almost touch, bounce. A really good directional day, but we're not filling this gap. We're not filling other gaps, and we're not gonna fill them. So I think I'm just calling it a day. I don't really want to be on the charts for that long. It's a no news Monday too, bro. This is calm. Alright, so we're pulling back, but where are we gonna pull back to? Let's see if there was like another 5 minute. No, we created a 5 minute breaker, honestly. Well, yes, there's a nice 5 minute breaker that could be of interest. Again, we'll tape read it. I have the discipline to not trade, so we're not gonna trade. Go take a shit, not be back, honestly. Breaker play out? Breaker did not play out. I salute you. Again on both charts, touch the EMA right here on both of these candles, and we instantly continued. Like, it's gonna be a continuation day. It is a continuation day. The first 5 I presented was a continuation. Again, 11 o'clock or 10:30 to something is probably gonna be the rejection or some shit, bro. But like, I should have seen how far up we were on both charts. That was my mistake. But that's because I just wanted to gamble. I wanted some sort of dopamine. So that's honestly my mistake. I should have waited because I took the trade somewhere up here on my evals. Evals I entered somewhere up here, and then these two pullbacks kind of fucked me. So I got stopped out and whatnot. So I really should have just waited for the EMAs to continue to bounce off of there. But Alpha Tick still doesn't work. It's tops at work now. Stop at nothing works still. Anything Project X related still doesn't work. Just gonna taper. I'm really not trying to trade now. Tapering. I had full TP all the way up here. And the fail of the entire. Honestly, I just wanted to see previous day high get swept on ES. You gotta remember, we're still in a buy model. We're delivering from a weekly opening gap. Like, what more do we want? Just tape readed this shit. Really don't care now. Play some Clash Royale. Probably gonna call it. I'm gonna call it a day soon. Really good patience and management from my part. I'm not disappointed in myself. Honestly, I am super proud with the way I handled it today. And I panicked over not being able to trade. Reacted well to the scenario, to the situation I was presented. I was logical about it, so loved it. Clash Royale, bro. Tape. I salute you. Let's play some. TP would have been hit. I'm wait. Ganar la Copa del Mundo es lo que venimos. Los jugadores de Wow, level 3 Dark Prince is crazy already. The fuck did I just witness, bro? TP would have been hit, bro. Finally have some gaps that opened up on the 5-minute. This motherfucker beat me. No 3 Princes are fucking beast. I could beat him. I don't know what's going on now. fill up the entire hourly. Well, I'm gonna just call it a day there, cause I'm not taking any fucking trade now. That's obvious. Oh shit, yeah, take it. Beyond obvious, done with the day. Closing everything was great. Great day to be disciplined. Really did it.